Hi guys, we are going to give you a set of videos to understand computing devices and its internal components. What are all the components makes the computing devices? To understand basically whatever devices you are currently using, it could be computers, it could be mobile device, or it could be supercomputer or whatsoever. All this belong to the same category of computing devices. Initially we want to give you basic knowledge of computing device and its components, and later maybe we go deep into the subject and will help you to understand completely computer science technologies. In this video I'm going to talk about anatomy of computers or anatomy of computing devices. That's actually correct, because computer is one computing device. You have so many computing devices and computer is one such. Taking computer as an example, we will try to make you understand what is inside the computers, how it works. Okay, computing devices will have two important components. One component is hardware, second component is software. What is hardware? Point number one, what is hardware? Hardware is visible components of a computing device. Which are the visible components of a computing device? For example, you can see the screen of the computer. The is an hardware device. You can see the CPU box, which is an hardware device. Input devices like keyboard and mouse are input devices. So all these devices constitute hardware components. And I did not talk about memory devices. Primary memory and secondary memory devices also are part of this, and the board which houses all these devices is called as motherboard. All these components together called as computer hardware or computing systems hardware devices. This is point number one. Point number two is components which are not visible to us but helps the computer to run, and which is also called as software. There are two types of softwares. As we go on, we divide the software into two categories. One, system software, and the second one is application software. So under software we have two types, I said, system softwares and application softwares. What is a system software, you can ask me. System software is a piece of software which helps the system to run. For example, operating systems. In short, it is called as OS, operating system. What is an operating system? It is a piece of software which helps the computer to run. For example, Windows is a well-known operating system. Linux is a well-known operating system. iOS is a well-known operating system, as well as Android, and so many other operating systems are there. So many types of operating systems are also there. Then coming to application software. This is another type of software which we use for a specific application. For example, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, browser. There are many. These are all the applications which are used for a specific vertical, which are used for a specific application. For example, Microsoft Word is a word processor which we use for typing the content and formatting the text and so many other things it can do. It is basically an editor which edits the input of the user. The input could be text, graphical objects, and so on. For example, browser is another example of an application software where we use the browser. As we all know, browser is used to browse the internet. to display the contents of the from the internet on your desktop computer or on your mobile device. Next, coming to the anatomy of the computer.